In today's video, I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth in Pixlr quickly and realistically, using a simple editing workflow that gives you a cleaner smile without making the teeth look fake or overly bright. If you've ever wanted to remove yellow tones and improve a photo in just a few steps, this is the tutorial for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your photo inside Pixlr and zoom in on the mouth area so you can work more precisely. You can press Ctrl and plus to zoom in, and this is important because the more detail you can see, the better your selection will be. Once you're close enough, go over to the toolbar and choose the Wand tool. This tool helps you make a fast selection around the teeth. Before you start selecting, increase the feather a little bit. The feather gives your selection softer edges, which helps the edit blend more naturally into the surrounding area. Now carefully select the teeth only. Take your time here, because the goal is to avoid the gums and lips as much as possible. If you include those areas, the whitening adjustment can affect them too, and that will make the final result look less natural. So make sure your selection is clean and focused just on the teeth. Once the teeth are selected, go up to the top menu bar and click on Adjustment. From the drop-down menu, choose Hue and Saturation. This is where the magic happens. Inside the Hue and Saturation panel, look for the Saturation slider and drag it to the left. This removes some of the yellow tint from the teeth and helps them look cleaner and brighter. Don't pull it too far though, because too much reduction can make the teeth look flat or grey. After that, move the Lightness slider slightly to the right. This brightens the teeth a bit and gives them a more natural white appearance. Again, keep it subtle. A little goes a long way when you want a realistic edit. Once you're happy with the look, click Apply to confirm the adjustment. At this point, the teeth should look noticeably whiter while still blending well with the rest of the face. Now go up to the Select menu and choose Deselect so you can remove the active selection and see the full image without any editing outlines. That's it. You've successfully whitened teeth in Pixlr using a simple selection and adjustment technique. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and gives you much better control than using a heavy filter. If you want more Pixlr editing tips like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.